forward. So in today's vlog, we're not going anywhere, we're not going to sing, we're not going to cook, but we will have an unboxing. So stay tuned. So okay guys, here we go. We're gonna start having our unboxing. So what is the product that we are going to unbox today? So of course we are going to unbox our MI power bank. Okay, so this is what I bought last time. So I'm happy to share with all of you guys the features and how does it work. Okay, so introducing our MI fast charge power bank. Okay, so this is 10,000 mAh capacity. So let's do it, guys. Let's go and unbox our MI power bank. So this is 10,000 mAh capacity. So let's do it. So we're gonna open here. So this is our product. Let's open it. So here is the owner's manual and features. We also have here so here is the product specification and maybe a warranty card. So we also have the USB cord, of course, and so let's open it here. Okay, wow, so this is our main product. So it has a 2-hole USB out AC cord, and then the USB micro and the USB. So this is the power on. So see, it has a forward light power indicator. Okay, so you will gonna know how much power still remaining during the using time. So here is the product logo, and of course here the mi.com logo here, and this is made in China, of course. So let's see. So it has 18 watts fast charge with micro USB cord, of course. So this one, and the micro USB. So these two are the micro USB in, and also we have here the USB-C in. So these two. Okay, so this is made in China and it's worth 119 Hong Kong dollars. So this is 10,000 mAh MI 18 watts fast charge power bank 3. So model number is PLM 132M. Battery type is lithium polymer battery. Input port micro USB/USB-C. So output port is USB-A. Cell capacity is 37 Wh, 3.7 volt, 10,000 mAh. So rated capacity is 5,500 mAh and 5.1 V/2.6A. So input is micro USB/USB. The C is 5 volts equals to 26A, 9 volts equals 28, so forth and so forth. Ayan. So ayan yung ating. So this is manufactured for Xiaomi Communications Corporation Limited, manufactured by Zimi Corporation, MI Ecosystem Company. Ayan, so made in China. And that's it, guys. So it is silver in color, and I already tried this and I can highly recommend it to you guys, so you can also grab yours. This is available in Japan Home here in Hong Kong. Okay, so that is our unboxing for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had an idea uh, what power bank can you have for our vlogging needs. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, guys, and that's our MI fast charger power bank unboxing. Thank you so much for watching.